Best earbuds wireless, issues with wireless headphone connectivity. How to fix them. If you're experiencing issues with wireless headphone connectivity, it could be due to a variety of reasons. Here are some common troubleshooting steps to help resolve these issues. 1. Check Bluetooth connection. Ensure Bluetooth is on. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device, phone, computer, tablet, etc. Sometimes Bluetooth can be accidentally turned off. Repair your headphones. Unpair your headphones from your device, then pair them again. This can often resolve minor connectivity issues. Remove interference. Ensure there are no large objects or other electronic devices between your headphones and the device they are connected to. These can interfere with the Bluetooth signal. 2. Check headphone battery. Fully charged headphones, low battery levels can sometimes cause connectivity problems. Make sure your headphones are fully charged. Battery status. If your headphones have a battery status indicator or an app that shows the battery level, check to make sure the battery isn't low. 3. Update firmware and drivers. Headphone firmware. Some wireless headphones require firmware updates to function properly. Check the manufacturer's website or app to see if there is a firmware update available for your headphones. Device drivers. If you're using the headphones with a computer, make sure your Bluetooth drivers are up to date. This can be done through your computer's device manager or the manufacturer's website. 4. Reset your headphones. Factory reset. Some issues can be resolved by resetting your headphones to their factory settings. Refer to your headphones user manual for instructions on how to perform a reset. 5. Check for device compatibility. Compatibility. Make sure your headphones are compatible with the device you're trying to connect them to. Check the Bluetooth version and supported profiles on both devices. 6. Distance and obstacles. Proximity. Keep your headphones close to the device. Bluetooth signals can weaken over distance or through walls and other obstacles. Avoid interference. Other wireless devices like Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and cordless phones can cause interference. Try to keep your headphones and the device they're connected to away from these sources. 7. Test with another device. Alternative device. Try connecting your headphones to a different device. If they work fine with another device, the problem may be with the original device's Bluetooth settings or hardware. 8. Audio source settings. Audio output. Check that the audio output is set to your headphones. Sometimes the device might default to internal speakers or another output. Volume control. Ensure the volume on both your device and headphones is turned up and not muted. 9. Software conflicts. Other applications. Sometimes other apps that use Bluetooth or audio settings might interfere. Close other apps that are running in the background and try again. 10. Consult the manual or manufacturer support. User manual. Refer to your headphones user manual for specific troubleshooting steps related to your model. Customer support. If all else fails, contact the manufacturer's customer support for assistance. By systematically going through these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the connectivity issues with your wireless headphones.